Hello my fellow nerds, my name is Jamie and I'm just trying to live my best nerd life. Now if you've seen any of my other videos you probably know that I'm a fan of the QFIG figures made by Quantum Mechanics. And in this video I've got two more figures to unbox and show you. And here they are. Now first up we have the Spider-Man Daily Bugle themed figure, and this is a loot box exclusive, and I've got to be honest, it looks damn awesome. I love the black and white theme that they've gone with. And yeah, can't wait to open this. And then we have the Guardians of the Galaxy 2 Rocket and Groot pack. Now this I think is really good, but I've noticed that on the side there, that picture of Rocket is really clear, but on that side, the picture of Groot is really pixelated. And as a designer, that annoys the hell out of me. But anyway, I digress. Let's get these things open. And first up we have Rocket and Groot. I mean, I think this is an absolutely fantastic dynamic pose. It's one of the things I like about QFIGs. They always seem to be in like really over-exaggerated, dynamic, cool looking poses. And the actual visual style of them is absolutely fantastic. The designers who made these have done an absolutely fantastic job. And I mean, Rocket is looking absolutely enraged at the moment, and I don't know what Groot is meant to be. I mean, he looks surprised there. I don't know. Is he meant to be terrifying? I don't know. But yeah, anyway, first up is that. And next up we have the Daily Bugle Spider-Man. Now I was a little worried about this one because I don't know if it was going to be too kind of weak kind of round here, but it does seem to be quite solid, and as you can probably see as I move it around, Spider-Man can swing about. Which is actually a really awesome detail. It does seem to be designed to be like that. It's not kind of weak or anything. I don't know how that's going to kind of hold up with time. That's probably going to weaken and he might fall off. But for the time being, I think it's a really cool feature. And I'm sure you can agree that this is a very dynamic pose. It's just one of those things that I like about the QFIG figures. They always seem to represent the characters that they make in a creative way. And it's the main reason why I want to keep buying these. All the figures that I've seen that they do seem to be made in a visually appealing way. And when compared to something like the Pop Vinyl collection, there's just no comparison really. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you very much for listening to my talk about these Q-Pop figures. As you can tell from this video, I really do like them. And this isn't like a sponsored video or anything like that, but I do genuinely like them. And if you enjoy this video, then by all means drop me a like, post me a comment, share with your friends, and all of that social media goodness. Once again, thank you very much. I really like them. And if you enjoy this video, then by all means drop me a like, post me a comment, share with your friends, and all of that social media goodness. Once again, thank you very much.